black. I think they'll be comfortable with black because he's an NBA guy. But I don't think they're going to be comfortable with Juma. Juma could really surprise a lot of those bigs out there. And our point guard, their speed is.
Add to that, maybe Aguilar can improve his perimeter shot. Kasi he's tall, but he's skinny and then he has the ability to jump high really.
Yeah.
If he can improve the perimeter shot.
Super athlete. And they're not going to see an athlete like him over there. They're going to be surprised at how athletic Japhet is.
Yeah, I think they'll just be distracted with Japhet here. I don't know what rule you have. I don't know what rule you have on the team. Like, I don't know how long you can grow his hair.
I don't have any rules. They can go there.
Yeah, so long as he's playing well, go ahead.
Yeah.
Linik na linik siya sa visitor sa
How do you look at the Philippines outside of the big
Siya
lads?
may problema kung kaya naibigay.
If they see the size
Kasi
disparity, it can have that
pag
effect.
na-okayhan na yan,
This is a small team.
forward pa nila sa Mindoro
And
yung mga
kind of take us
pera ng
lightly.
mga
Have you had any experience like that before?
nanay.
Well, literally small tayo because we're a smaller team.
With my experience at the Philippine team, yeah, when we played against Israel, way
Kaya
back
sinitsil din ng
1974,
tatlatat eh.
we were good. Then we don't know yet about the press defense, and then Israel is using that against us. We don't
Hindi nga siya
even
mapuntak
really
eh. Kulang daw ang bakante niya kasi may tinda pa silang mga tools sa palengke. Dagdaging
Tinapakan
tanda.
kami of 60 points.
But that's a team that took advantage of but can that be a strength that can surprise you?
I definitely think so. I think definitely going to be a strength. And again, our guys aren't intimidated by that because they're used to playing with imports. You know, they're used to playing against imports. So they're not going to be intimidated by anybody. And again, I have to go back to the coach. Coach Yang will not be intimidated by anybody, and he won't let his people be intimidated by him. They're going to come out and just play. And, you know, he's going to have that, you know, I've been coaching against Yang Yao for years, and his guys do a great job of just coming out and playing. They don't feel pressure. He doesn't put pressure on guys. That's my problem as a coach. I put a lot of pressure on my players, and they get tight and all that. But Yang's guys come out, and I wish I had that magic.